To help with final preparations for takeoff, please ensure your seat is in a fully upright position. Your window blind is up, your tray table is folded up, and your seatbelt is fastened. Is that everything, Rob?
You didn't mention the Q-suite door coach.
Actually, Rob, I felt it deserved its own moment, and its own star. Mr. Neymar, if you could just pick up that below the camera. No, the other thing. Take it away.
The Q-suite door will be locked in the open position by the crew and should remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing.
That's great. Right. You've seen the film, now read the card. You'll find it in the seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft, and if you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help.
Of course, if you're travelling in the premium cabin, the Q-suite safety card is located in your suite, which highlights emergency exit procedures.